example, annual nimo 80,000. Although it increases every year, but
Because
as your
of
age, medical inflation, and as your age, increase ang imuhang premium sa policy. Let's just say in average, in 20 years time, nagkuan ka, total ka o pila man ang 80 times 2, 3.2, 80 times 10, 800. Kuan na day,
mga 1.6, 1.7 ang 20
1.6.
years nga imuhang gibayad.
And you got sick, 1.6, so imong total about in 20 years time, let's just say average 1.6
In 20 years.
in 20 years time.
Pero imong coverage
How
is
much? But yeah, how much percentage? 1.6 at 100 million. It's just 1,600,000. So it's just 1.6%.
Then for the 20 years, dili wa kay 80,000 nga coverage, 100 million every year ka tong
So the quality, and you can, on top of that, the quality you can get, or you have the option to be hospitalized outside the Philippines.